Hello everyone, I am Sonali. In this video, you will learn different ways of online teaching. Before starting, please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for new videos. During the COVID-19 pandemic, we all are moving towards the online teaching. And for this, we are using the different application software and different apps. The first way of online teaching, you can record your PowerPoint presentation by using the slideshow option. You can record your presentation and send it to the student. You can conduct online classes using Google Classroom and Google Meet. Simply paste the link on Google Classroom for the meeting, conference or online class. Student can join this class easily. You can record your videos and send it to the student for online teaching. This is also the better way. You can share the videos on YouTube or on your school or college website. You can record your videos by using the different screen recorder. You can use the ice cream screen recorder, ScreenRec or OBS Studio for recording your videos. These all apps are freely available on Google. You can search and you can download it for your device. You can do it by using the mobile or laptop or desktop. You can make video while writing using the mobile phones. You can make the arrangement for this easily by using the home instrument. Next way is you can shoot your videos by using the professional camera while teaching or while explaining the things. Or you can create the PPT and convert it into the video by using the simple option. Go to the file and save as your PPT as video. For detail, must watch these videos on my channel. Screen recorder to record your computer screen. You can convert PPT to video. Conduct the online lectures on Google Classroom. How to record slideshow with explanation and also watch teacher-student interactive session using Google Slide and Peer Deck add-on. Thank you for watching.